Thomas Weather.
The Rich Thomas Weather Network, brought to you by these fine sponsors. Hear Rich's forecast hourly on these Blue Water Broadcasting radio stations.
Hey, good morning, everybody. On this Thursday morning, it's the 7th day of January. Rich here with no sleep, of course, after watching continuous news coverage of this historic event, this ridiculous situation in Washington. But anyway, let's shift gears. You want to? Let's talk weather. This storm system that we've been talking about is right on schedule, and there's already rain in the state as I make this at 3:25 a.m. We'll talk about how this storm system will progress. No severe weather with this, by the way. That's good news. Much colder air will funnel into the state behind it tomorrow. Wait till you see the numbers for tomorrow and the weekend. And then there's that Monday storm system that now looks like it will cause precipitation in Alabama. Spoiler alert, looks like rain for us, and that, of course, is great news. We don't need any winter weather nastiness, do we?
That storm system this morning is right on time, located not too far from Jackson, Mississippi, as of 6 o'clock this morning, spreading an occluded front across the area and slowly moving eastward to around Monroeville, but let's say about 6 o'clock tonight. So the threat of rain continues not only today, but into the evening and nighttime hours tonight. There will be snow farther to the north, but not in Alabama. You can see how the rain moves through the state during the daytime hours today and into the evening hours tonight. There's a snapshot at 10:30 a.m. I think the rainfall amounts are not going to be too heavy, but I think a lot of places could get maybe half an inch, maybe a little bit more, a little bit farther south. And this is into the evening hours tonight as the rain continues before ending. Some thunder is certainly possible, but because of the setup of the low and the warm air sector, the marginal severe weather risk hugs the coast today and is mainly out of the Gulf of Mexico. Showers likely today, maybe the rumble of thunder. It'll be cool and breezy. East winds at 10 to 20 miles per hour today with a high around 52, 53, somewhere in there. Tonight slowed down to about 44. Look at the jet stream tomorrow, all the way down to the Gulf Coast. As sharply colder air follows this storm system, you'll swear tomorrow with temperatures in the upper 40s that it's much colder than that because of the wind. Look at that snow in North Carolina. That's going to be a big deal in eastern Tennessee. Cold sunshine on Saturday. We do not make it out of the 40s, unfortunately. The wind will be a little bit less than Friday. Very chilly again on Sunday. We may make it up to 50, 51, 52, but that's about it. And then here we go with this storm system on Monday. It cruises along the northern Gulf Coast. Look at the snow in the morning hours in Mississippi, but rain looks like here in Alabama. And it looks like a cold rain for us. There's Monday noon with snow continuing in Mississippi and northwest Alabama. And at Monday at 6 p.m., maybe a little bit of snow in the northern counties, but cold rain here, and then ending and turning colder after that. Snowfall potential, well, again, we're still a few days out, but there could be some very heavy snow in the state of Mississippi, maybe half a foot, and maybe a little bit of dusting of snow from about, let's say, Birmingham northward, and maybe some in west central Alabama. Fortunately, none for us. That's the best news. So tomorrow will be windy, colder. I wouldn't rule out a few sprinkles. Highs in the upper 40s, but it'll seem colder. Down near freezing Saturday morning. Highs only in the upper 40s. Will be around 50 on Sunday with a chance of rain maybe late Sunday night. And then a cold rain Monday with a high around 50. And then it looks like on Tuesday we're back to much colder air and windy. Several shots of cold air over the next few days. Shot number one comes behind this storm system Friday, Saturday, and then another shot of cold air behind them, that Monday storm system, then another one the following weekend, then another one towards the 19th and 20th. With all these weather changes, you want to stay on top of it with our weather app. Get it on your phone or tablet now. It'll keep you up to date, plus access to these videos and instant push notifications for any severe weather alerts, hourly forecast, 10-day forecast, and radar and future radar. Go to the App Store and search Rich Thomas Weather.
Okay, that's it this morning as we try to press forward. Everything is normal this morning. We live on the radio this morning from 6 to 9 on News Talk 93.1. Wonder what we'll be talking about. Live on CBS 8 and ABC 32, we'll be talking weather with Ryan Stinnett at 5:50 a.m. There'll be another video for you first thing tomorrow morning at 4:45 a.m. and your forecast whenever you want it across the dial on the Blue Water family of stations. We'll keep you up to date on not only what's going on today, but that potential Monday storm system, which will cause some problems in parts of the deep south, but hopefully not here.